what you're gonna do now, you're gonna shout it out loud in one word or two, not more. The thing that made you at the time feel passion for life. Okay, ready? You're gonna shout it out, everyone together, because you're gonna give it to the world. This is one of your gifts, and we want it out. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, shout it out. Go! Good. Thank you. Of course, I would love to hear it better and to understand, but in my energy field, I do. So, great. Also, one of the things that, just a moment, I'll put it down. So, also one of the things that my intention for the workshop today, also symbolically or not, this workshop was supposed to happen over the Boom Festival in 2020, when all of the craziness started, and then I was talking with Marta Gatto from the Boom Organization Festival, which I thank her very much to this possibility to be here and to share it with you. And yes, and all of the Boom Festival, they are amazing. They allow us to be here. So we were talking about bringing the passion, yeah. So like we had here yesterday the healing, and now more light and fun. And symbolically or not, everything happened in 2020. The confinement, the massive fears that all of us experienced in this way or another, and even statistically, you could see that people were experiencing depression and anxiety more than ever the last 2 years. And actually what happened, like this is one of the damages that happened now. Thank God we're all more free again, in a way. But our passion was depressed, yes? So people really stopped doing what they love to do. It was influencing everyone in their own way, and today, and then came this possibility now after the Boom came back to share it now after the last 2 years that passed by. And I'm saying, it's not by chance, because this is also what I would love you and us as a collective. We are here together as a collective, talking and elaborating and experiencing more about how to bring our passion through the teenage archetype. But in any case, it's about living life with passion, okay? So also, this is my intention and prayer with you, if you like to join to this prayer with me as a collective. So what we do here today about living more and more the passion, to echo to everyone that would like to feel more passion in their life and to live that more and to the healing of the planet. So amen, so be it. And thank you for this moment together here. So also, if we go back to the teenage time, okay?